All right, increasing cloud cover, winds not going to be as light through the evening, overnight, and increasing moisture in the air is going to result in temperatures not being as cold as we've seen. Literally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think Waco's fallen down to 22, 23. And it hasn't been uniform across the area, but a lot of us in the 20s to low 30s. Not going to be as cold. You can leave the plants outside for tonight. Here's the clouds increasing from the west. We've got a disturbance lifting off towards the northeast. Temperatures expected to be over 20 degrees warmer in some areas, only falling down into the 40s as cloud cover increases through the overnight. Moisture slowly increases. Areas off towards the north, the air is not as moist, and maybe some breaks in the cloud cover where it's a little thinner and more broken. May see some lower 40s creep in. Wouldn't quite roll out even an upper 30, but again, we're not going to be getting below freezing overnight tonight and for the next few nights. Temperatures tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies and maybe a few areas of some very isolated drizzle, light sprinkles, maybe a better chance later in the day. Temperatures going to still be in the 60s. Been running the 60s all week, so we might as well wrap it up with 60s. Again, seeing the cloud cover increasing from the west and southwest, and that'll act like a blanket, slow down that long wave radiational cooling through the evening and overnights. Disturbance again lifting to the northeast through Texas, kicking up some showers, some lightning out there, nothing severe. Most of that going to miss us. We'll watch our western and northwestern zones for a few isolated showers through the evening hours. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, again, our next storm system starts to approach. Moisture really increases, and we can't rule out a few isolated showers. Here's our front. It's out there towards the west. It's a Pacific cold front, so it's not bringing in very cold air behind it, but bringing in some cooler air. Not looking for a big cool down, though. Behind this front, our air is overall going to be staying pretty warm. Let's track everything out on Future Track, get you caught up what you can expect as we go through the next 48 hours. Again, cloud cover increases. It's going to be cloudy tomorrow. Again, maybe some spotty drizzle or little sprinkles here, very isolated showers. Most of us stay dry through the day. Once we get into your Friday evening, into the overnight hours, front starts to approach from the northwest, and we'll really see our rain chances increasing 40 to 50% through the overnight as we get into Saturday morning. The front's coming in from the northwest. Some broken line of some scattered showers, nothing severe here. Maybe a couple cracks of lightning and thunder out there. That's about it. Maybe some more moderate pockets of heavy rain. The majority of the rain is going to be coming down Saturday during the morning, early afternoon hours. Maybe seeing a lingering shower, Temple, Groesbeck areas off towards the south during the late afternoon into the evening hours. Not going to be a complete washout. Cross our fingers. I hope everybody can at least get one downpour through the day because we'll need it. Looking here at forecast rainfall, overall, like we were saying yesterday, still looking at mainly across the area a trace to a quarter of an inch of rainfall with some locally higher amounts if you can get a couple of those pockets of more moderate rainfall as we go into Saturday morning. No big adjustments here on the temperatures. We were in the 70s last weekend. We're cruising through the 60s this week, and it looks like we're going to stay in the 60s as we go into next week. There will be another cold front coming on Thursday, and we'll watch that to see if we have to adjust any temperatures, but likely we could see falling temperatures through the day on Thursday with a cool down onto Friday. Question mark how cool we get next Friday. I'm not really sold just yet, but I've been watching. It could be chilly in the 50s. Saw some signs maybe a little bit cooler than that. But now, today, maybe not that cool.
That's why it's a question mark.
There are question marks. It's also day 8.
Yeah, it's more than a week away.
Yeah, it's more than a week away.
We'll give you a little lenience.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Zach. Coming up.